Hi everyone, welcome to Nana's Kitchen. I hope we're all having a fantastic day. What we have on the menu today is ginger, orange, salmon, and we're going to serve it with a bowl of rice. Let's get into it. So for the ingredients, we have here salmon, which is the main guest, and we have here leeks. I actually cut it up. This is going to be about 1.5 cups. If you don't have leeks, you can use scallions, that's fine. I have here a tablespoon of honey, and I have here 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have right here 2 tablespoons of ginger and 3 garlic cloves minced. I have here 1 whole orange, it's navel orange. I have the zest and the juice, and I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So let's just get into it. So we have our pan heating up. It's been heating up for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go in with my oil. It's olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And then follow up with my salmon. I'm gonna fry it about 3 minutes on each side until it turns golden brown. So our fish has been frying on one side for about 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and turn it now and have the other side fry for another 3 minutes until it turns golden brown like this side has. So our fish is ready now. We're going to take it out of the pan. Transfer it over to my plate, and then I go in next with my ginger, garlic, olive oil, and other stuff. Next, I have my soy sauce, my orange and zest, my honey, and I add in my leeks. I'm gonna stir for about 3 minutes. The main aim is to make sure your sauce thickens. So I'm gonna stir for about 3 minutes, and I transfer my fish back into the pan. So I'm stirring it now. I'll just leave it to steam up a little bit. Let's go ahead and cover it. So our sauce has started thickening, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer our fish back into the pan. So this is what you're gonna do. Scoop the sauce onto the fish. I'm going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. We'll be done here. Just keep scooping the sauce onto the fish. Remember, we did not season the fish with anything at all. No salt, no pepper, nothing. So at this point, we have to make sure we soak it up with the sauce to make it tasty. That's what we're doing. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Here we have it. We're done. After 5 minutes, our sauce has thickened. Everything is well cooked. So I would go ahead right now and turn my fire off. That's it. We're going to serve it with this plate of rice. Our orange ginger salmon is ready to be served with rice or pasta, depending on what you like. Smells like Japanese takeout if you ask me. Takeout on a budget. I hope you're inspired to try it. Please do leave me a comment, a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. Hope to see you again in my next video.